Hey, hello everyone! Today I'm doing a quick unboxing video. My Switch 2 has arrived. It was delivered around 9:10 a.m. Tokyo time. Let's check out the packaging. Opening it is quite similar to the Switch 1. And opening here is exactly like the leaked video from before. Two Joy-Con 2s and there's also a main screen. I'll set it aside for now and check the second layer. The second layer is the dock. Is it pronounced Nian Yuan? Oh, yes, it is. I bought this. It's the Japanese multi version. Definitely not the big triangle cross from the Hong Kong version. And this thing, what's the dock called again? I've never figured out if it's pronounced DSE or dock. Anyway, looking at the Japanese katakana, it's pronounced dock. So it should be pronounced dock. Inside here seems similar to CH1, though the dock is definitely different in CH2. Just lift it open. The design is similar to CH1. Is it innovative? Not really. And the button's gone. Now it can be powered on. Apparently, there's a protective film, so you don't need to peel it off. Let me see. It's quite sturdy, but it's designed too narrow. I'm worried it might accidentally fall and break. Joy-Con 2 can be played like this, unlike Joy-Con 1, which was uncomfortable. You always had to attach that strap, and the buttons felt different. It's still raised, it's not flat. CH1 seemed flat, right? If I remember correctly. Comparing them, it's not flat, just that this part is recessed, while CH2 is not recessed, it's outward. Comparison shows a size difference. This one's much bigger. This is a magnetic switch, feels okay, not too weird, but it's still something you can hold in your palm, which is nice. CH2 can't be fully held in the palm. And the side fits well. Can't show my face when... Just do it this way. I'm not keen on showing my face. Oh, that's comfortable. Alright, you didn't forget to charge it, did you? Oh, it's starting up. Oh, wait. For region, I'm in Japan. Network settings are connected. Holding it feels a bit odd. The screen feels faster when I compare it. It's hard to compare, but removing it, it's quite big. And the feel changes. It's almost like this white piece. This piece is nearly the size of the entire Switch E. This is OLED. Time zone is Tokyo. You said to stand it up, so I did. The tutorial shows how to connect it. The TV. That can wait. Oh, wait. These are two different things. Too excited to check carefully. This seems a bit off. Oh, but it fits here, right? Ah. Right, it snaps in here. No, it seems you need to snap the bottom first, then press the top. It's actually a bit weird to press, to be honest. Pressing it is better than the JQ one, but it's still uncomfortable, to be honest. Mainly, it feels like something is pressing against my finger here. This side is okay though. I don't know why, but this side feels a bit pressed. Then try this dog head grip, see if it sticks. It sticks strongly, but doesn't seem to change much. The dog head grip even feels a bit empty here. Weird. My palm feels like it's being cut. Is it the usual patch? Updates done, data. Can be transferred. But I heard if you transfer the data, the switch will be almost like formatted, all data wiped. So it's a bit of a pain to transfer or not, whatever, just transfer. I really didn't buy this thing, it's expensive. I couldn't even bring myself to buy Mario Kart, because buying more of the original doesn't come bundled. Honestly, after the screen got bigger, typing on the keyboard is uncomfortable, it hurts my hands. Then bring the Switch over. Please connect the power. Then the data will be erased from this CPU and moved here. It won't be retained. Crazy, even this needs to be plugged in. The whole transfer process took about 10 minutes. Wow, all the games need to be re-downloaded. Oh man, I'm fed up. Then this boot test shows 209 G of space. Couldn't afford this card, didn't buy it. Last month's living expenses were tight, so even now I'm still struggling. Let's see, plug in Pokemon and try it out. You open it from the back here, then follow the normal process, press it down. But look, why isn't it focused? So mysterious, is it too close or have I been recording too long? Play with the beats a bit, see if it needs an update. Download. Hey, not bad. Let's wait a bit. That's good. Now it's connected. Try playing Pokemon Beads on this dock to see the effect. Not sure if I can restart a save file. I kind of want to start over. Since the main game is already completed, there's nothing much to do. Just wander around, and I've forgotten how to install those. That's about it. Wow, wait, is... Speed light. Pokemon? So satisfying. This one is really comfortable. Can try playing it. Why am I just sitting here coughing? Wow, the performance is good. Why did I bother with this crap back then? Playing with that pearl. Bought this Breath of the Wild. This upgrade costs about 10 silver and 50 bucks. Just about right. Breath of the Wild is a physical copy. Wang Lei is a digital version. Who knows when he'll finish killing? Can I earn platinum points? Is it real or fake? I actually got it. Awesome. Forget it. Let's start the game. Starting over seems a bit troublesome. Let's just continue the game. I forgot how to operate it.